in spirit, courageous in action, gentle of heart. Let me act in wisdom, conquer my fear and doubt, discover my own hidden gifts, meet others with compassion, be a source of healing energies, and face each day with hope and joy. Hey gems, what is going on? Good to see you all. I hope you're having a great day so far. About to run, probably just to go to some dollar stores. So I'm going to take you along. So come along. Let's go to my two favorite stores, Dollar Tree and Dollar General, and see what we see. So let's go. Those are pretty flowers. Hi, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Cookie. Okay, cookies. Now I have to say that this haul is a little hood because I was rushing. I was hungry, so I was rushing through. So you've been warned, this is a ghetto haul. So I got some fried chicken, some garlic bread, some Fanta pineapple soda, and some meatballs. Also some turkey meat. Okay, Oscar Mayer. There you go. Then I got a chocolate bar. What else we got here? Oh, some Hawaiian rolls. And yeah, it looks like that's what I got there. And then also some Chips Ahoy and some of my leave-in conditioner for my hair. Oh, some Stouffer's chicken parmesan and also the cream cheese and some lasagna. Oh, we got some Veggie Lovers salad. I love these little express bags because I don't have to cut up nothing. And what else do we have here? Oh, okay, some cheese doodles. Okay, all right, time for snacks. All right, what else we got going on? Oh yeah, a lighter because you know it's still hurricane season here in Florida. And yeah, and some tissues because you know your girl's nose be running. And we got some mini pretzels and these Hostess cupcakes has my nephew in a chokehold. He can't let go of these things. All right, what else we got? I think we're coming towards the end of this haul. Oh yeah, we got some boiling black cherry soda. It's everything, y'all. If you have not tried it, you really need to. Oh, some Martinelli's, a sparkling apple juice. Yes, nice and cold. I'm telling y'all. If you don't know, oh yeah, and the Kraft hickory smoke. I'm telling you, it's the best dip or marinade for your meat. It's so good. And if you want to give me a gift, Laffy Taffy is everything for Marlene. Hey guys, so today is the day. It's the day of the baby shower. So I'm dressed and ready. I went with this paparazzi necklace and just some simple silver hoops, same wig, and that lace blouse that we found at Goodwill for, I believe it was $8. I just really love it. I'm gonna show you the whole outfit. Hold on. So here we are. Your blue belt. I really don't need it, but just to make sure I keep my pants up. But yeah, it's a great auntie outfit of the day. I really like this, the blouse, and these are not my pants, they're my sister's. They're a little bit bigger, but it was much better than the other options that I had. I had a black skirt that I was gonna wear, but I decided to go with this. So it's my outfit of the day. I'm about to put on a lipstick and let me show you the cover up. I use the cover up, but just in case it gets cool there, I'll have something to put on. So I can have this cover up on. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear it or I'm gonna wear this other one. Hold on. Looking at it, I prefer the other one. So yeah, but anyways, it's hot today. It's 80 degrees here, so it's still hot in Florida. So let me get that lipstick. I'm about to get out of here, but I wanted to show you my outfit of the day. We're going to probably stop at the store maybe and pick up a gift card or something to put in the gift bag. But yeah, and I'm gonna take you guys for the drive along, and then in the next video I will be showing you guys where I arrive at the baby shower and the decoration and the food and all of that. So stay tuned. Yes, when you're a great auntie but you don't look like it. Hey, great auntie. So already I decided to go with some blue eyeshadow. As you can see, a little glitter, and my signature, most favorite lipstick, burgundy. So yeah, we're ready. Got my ring on, and we're about to head out. So running late. Something just happened, so I'm finally dressed, ready, and we're about to head out. So stay tuned. Yes, on the way. So let's go.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
Now, y'all would never believe it, but we went to the wrong location. It's so important to communicate and to not make assumptions. We assumed that it was at this location, and we looked around and we didn't see the family cars, so we knew we were at the wrong location. But then we got on track, made a phone call, and here we are arriving at the location. So it all worked out. So I gotta say thank you all so much for watching, and on the next video I will be showing the baby shower. A baby's smile spells only 4 letters: Love. Love.